In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a project name in Jira, a powerful tool widely used for project management and bug tracking across various industries. Renaming a project might seem like a straightforward task, but ensuring you do it correctly without losing track of your work is crucial. So without further ado, let's dive into the steps. First, begin by navigating to the project you wish to update. You can do this by logging into your Jira dashboard, where you'll see a list of your current projects. Find the one that needs renaming and select it. Once you're in the project, look to the sidebar on the left of your screen. You're going to click on Project Settings. This area is where you can manage everything related to the project, from permissions to details and configurations. It's good to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it can be quite handy for various tasks. Next, once you are in the project settings, you'll need to click on the Details tab. This tab is particularly significant as it houses all the key information regarding your project. Here you can find specifics like the project name, key, category, and additional metadata you might want to update alongside the name. Now let's focus on changing the project name itself. Locate the name field within the Details tab. This is where your current project name is displayed. Simply click into this field and you can start typing to replace the existing name with your desired new one. Be sure to choose a name that accurately reflects the nature or goal of your project to avoid any confusion among team members. Taking a moment to consider an intuitive name can help streamline collaboration and communication. After inputting the new name, take a minute to review your changes. This ensures everything looks good and is correctly updated. When you're satisfied with the new project name, you're ready to make this change official. To do so, look for the Save button, usually found towards the bottom or top right of the screen. Clicking this button will apply all of the changes you've just made. And there you have it, your project now has a new name. If you're handling multiple projects or changes, remember to consider updating any documentation or shared resources where the project's old name may appear. This keeps everything consistent and up to date for everyone involved. In summary, changing a project name in Jira involves just a few straightforward steps within the project settings. Keeping project names clear and precise can make a big difference in team productivity and accuracy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, feel free to check out our channel for more tutorials on maximizing efficiency with Jira and other tools.